Mama getting on to her.
Mama's getting on to him about running.
She said, quit running. Quit running in the house.
Look at her.
She gonna run with him. Nope, she stopped. Well, not quite. He took off.
She thinks Betty's getting rough with her boy.
Yep.
Boy, she'll get after Betty.
She getting on to him.
You kids quit that. Y'all know better than that.
Y'all don't play in the house.
Well, I told y'all about that running.
I knew Betty was gonna do it. She's gonna run. She's gonna jump.
She can't. Betty can't not do it.
She gotta jump. She's our hyperactive kid.
She's got somebody to play with. Look at
Candy don't want her to do it.
Candy
Nope.
told her, says, you're a bad influence on my boy. Go home. I figured she was gonna run Betty off.
I'm surprised she hadn't.
Look at her. Go home. You're teaching my boy bad habits.
Go home.
He was a calm kid till you come along.
She's like, go home.
Go see your mama. Go back to your mama. Leave my boy alone. Well, it was fun while it lasted.